Surgically Clean Air is a Canadian company that is dedicated to providing dentists with clean, pure, re-energized air. Our main dental product is the SCA 301F. It is 5 feet tall, commercial grade, and capable of moving over 27,000 cubic feet of air every hour. The Environmental Protection Agency says indoor air pollution is one of the top 5 environmental threats to our health today. There are many pollutants in the air that range from harmless to irritating to downright deadly. The Lung Association says that lung and respiratory diseases are responsible for 10% of all early retirements and 20% of all fatal cancers. Another study concluded that 50% of all illnesses are caused by indoor air contaminants. The Asthma Society claims that asthma has doubled in the last 20 years and is the 3rd leading cause of work loss. 20% of people who work in a dental practice will become asthmatic as a direct result of their working environment. A patient who walks into a dental practice can carry colds, flus, third-hand smoke, dust, dirt, and body odor. Next, the dentist or hygienist puts a high-speed instrument in their mouth, creating a hazardous bioaerosol of blood pathogens, bacteria, odors, and whatever else is in the patient's mouth. After the patient leaves, the instruments go into an ultrasonic cleaner. The ultrasonic cleaner emits such poor air quality that they're being phased out in many jurisdictions. Finally, the operatory is cleaned with strong cleaning agents and disinfectants. Everything remains airborne for hours, just waiting to be inhaled. On top of all of this, if amalgam is being removed, then there's mercury vapor in the air. Dentists have the highest level of mercury in their blood out of all practitioners. If there's a lab on site, then there will also be monomers, methyl methacrylate, acrylics, and so on. A toxic soup. The continued and repeated exposure to these bioaerosols that remain suspended for hours can result in headaches, dizziness, fatigue, dry skin, sneezing, and coughing. Asthma, lung disease, and COPD are all respiratory diseases that are only caused by what you are inhaling. The California Air Resources Board estimates that ultrafine particles subtract 10 years from a person's life. If you breathe for 1 hour, you will take in approximately 75,000 particles in a hospital operating room, 2.4 million particles outdoors, and 20 million particles in a dental practice. In 2010, the British Dental Journal concluded that an air cleaning system both before and during dental treatment can reduce the size of bioaerosols and therefore reduce the risk of spreading infection. In addition to current infection control measures, the American Dental Association has also suggested stringent protection for microbial airborne contamination. There are hundreds of dentists currently enjoying clean, pure, re-energized air. Here are a small sampling. Surgically Clean Air also has clients in other commercial and industrial verticals, from call centers, pro sports teams, printers, trading floors, veterinarians, money vaults, warehouses, fabricating plants, fitness facilities, funeral homes, and thousands of residential customers. How it works. Stage 1 removes large visible particles. Stage 2 removes microscopic particles. Stage 3 removes odors, aerosolized cleaning chemicals, and VOCs. At Stage 4, the dual UV bulbs kill bacteria and viruses. Stage 5 creates hydroxyl radicals that kill bacteria and viruses outside of the unit like an invisible fog. Stage 6 re-energizes the air. It has also been known to treat mild depression. An intelligent LED display tells you when to change filters in UV bulbs. Because of the technologies we utilize, it is extremely quiet and inexpensive to run. A HEPA-based system that could move this quantity of air would cost over $2,400 annually in filters. Clean, purify, and re-energize all the air in a 1,600 square foot office every 30 minutes with only one unit. The decision is simple. If the health and welfare of yourself and colleagues is worth $99 per month, then Surgically Clean Air is the answer. We look forward to having you breathing clean, pure, re-energized air.